It's outside, that means grilling time, and jalapeno poppers for game day. Few key ingredients to get started. Some certified Angus beef, ground beef. I pre-cooked the ground beef inside with this taco seasoning that we created ourselves, right? So it's salt, pepper, chili powder, some garlic powder, and some cumin, and mix that up and brown it properly. That 75 or 80% lean is perfect for this recipe. So let's get to building this. We've got the pre-cooked ground beef seasoned up, ready to go, and we're gonna add not just cream cheese, right? But Boursin cheese is that creaminess with the herbs in it that I really want. Mixed in with some cream cheese is the perfect ratio, and some cheddar will come in too, and this will all get mixed up. Also, to amp the flavor, I use chive and onion cream cheese. Getting all those soft cheeses mixed in with the ground beef will be a great texture and flavor within each of these jalapenos. Now, when I work with jalapenos, I put some gloves on. So as you can see, I've halved them and cored out a lot of these, but I'll show you how I did it. So a whole jalapeno cut in half lengthwise to create a canoe or boat shape. What I find that works best is taking a teaspoon and coming up to that stem side first, then working it out sideways. Get as many out as you can, and that's how you prepare your jalapenos. I'm looking for just a little mounded, so I just kind of rub it on each side like that, and that boat is ready to go. Get all of those stuff. You know what's great about this is this can all be done the day ahead. Do all of this work the day before, and this is a perfect thing to take for game day. We've got another recipe on our website too that's a jalapeno popper in a different form, where you actually dice up the jalapeno. It gets breaded in panko and then deep fried. What's great about this one is we're gonna do it on the charcoal grill and add a little kiss of wood smoke. Let's get to bacon wrapping. Pinch that up at the stem, and then with some tension, wrap this around, halfway overlap at an angle. And then once you come to the tip, come around, just try to get it snug, and that will stay secure. Let's talk about our grill setup. We've got charcoal, natural lump banked on one side, and then a wood chunk or two we put on top of there to create a good smoke environment. I also have kind of a modified drip pan. Take a look at this foil. You've got a square shape in there, and we'll start putting our poppers on what we'll call the cool side of the grill, not directly over the flame. My target temperature on the grill, 375, 350. It might spike a little. I'm just gonna keep attentive to it. You could bake these in the oven if you'd like, 375, but I'll tell you, there's nothing like charcoal with that wood flavor. With all the poppers on, we're gonna go ahead and let them cook. What we're looking for is to get all that bacon completely cooked on the outside, and the inside will be perfectly soft. Take a look. That's what we're looking for. Good caramelization on the outside. We're browning nicely. You can hear the sizzle. That's good looking J-pop. Really what you want to get now is a crispy bacon, to whatever your liking is. I'm gonna get it a little bit more firm. The temperature can dip quite a bit. It went down to 325, I added more coals, as high as 400, so I choked it off a little. That sweet spot is 350 to 375. We're at the final stage now. We're gonna set a little bit of sweet glaze. This is just barbecue sauce. Pick your favorite barbecue sauce, brush it on each one. We'll close the lid for just 5 or 10 minutes. And these are ready for the party. What's great is this was a little bit of a set it and forget it, right? So I haven't even moved the location of these jalapenos. Now that they're crispy, the glaze is set, we're ready to enjoy. That is a great spread. Spicy heat, amazing beef wrapped in bacon with a little glaze. These smoky jalapeno poppers are ready for game day.